How to connect Zapier with Buy Me a Coffee. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you exactly how you can connect Zapier with Buy Me a Coffee. The process is very simple. All you need to do is follow the steps that I'm going to share, and you will be able to connect it with Buy Me a Coffee easily. First of all, once you're logged into your Zapier account, scroll down on the left side, and you will see the option Apps. Click on Apps. Over here, you need to type Buy Me a Coffee and press Enter. You will see the option appear. Just click on Connect. As you can see, you need to provide the API key from Buy Me a Coffee. Click on Continue to Buy Me a Coffee, and it will be connected. Now, how can you get the API key from Buy Me a Coffee? First of all, go to your Buy Me a Coffee account. On the left side, scroll down to the Integrations section. Click on this, and you will see an option for Zapier. Click on Connect, and it will provide you with an API key. Copy this key and paste it into the Zapier connection window. Once you paste it, your Zapier account will be connected with Buy Me a Coffee. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.